guys, welcome back to my video on bees. So here, getting it all on close. And now you do not need to wear a bee suit. I'm really close. I'm gonna watch him fly off. This is a split. Da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 na. Okay, so them are the bees. I'm using my camera. I'm gonna get all up and personal. And okay, so I'm getting up and personal, and they have not stung me yet. It looks like one's about to sting me. Yeah, they look like, yeah, they're flying in the air. So my camera looks very good. It looks better than the actual hive that they're in. I just got this. I just did split one of my hives. I hear noises. I'll be back. Actually, I know where it's coming from. It's coming from the sink, because the baby in my house is taking a bath in the sink, and this camera is really close. And peace out, everybody. Like and subscribe, and I'm out. Goodbye.